everybody blinks, and we blink quite often. And in this study, we investigate whether blinks have an additional function than just keeping the eye lubricated and providing nutrients to the eye. So we looked at whether eye blinks have a visual function. Now, it's easy to think about this process a little bit like a camera, but the visual system doesn't operate like a camera because there is no shutter like in a camera.
In fact, the function of the visual system is not like a camera image. The visual system uses signals impinging on the retina to infer what is out there in the world.
So we end up spending a lot of time in this seemingly very vulnerable state because the input has been interrupted.
What the group found was that eye blinks facilitate perception of a coarse picture of a scene, what researchers call low spatial frequencies. When subjects blinked, the visibility of low-resolution patterns improved, even though the disruption caused by the eye blink actually reduced visual exposure.
So we ran experiments with human observers and measured their performance in discriminating patterns when they blinked and when they not blinked.
Rucci and co-workers also investigated whether this improvement extended to involuntary blinks and to simulation of eye blinks. In all cases, visual perception improved.
And it turns out that indeed, when we present stimuli at low spatial frequencies, subjects do better when they blink. So this was a first confirmation of the idea. Now, one question that immediately emerges is, am I going to blink in a way that allows me to see better when I need it? That's something that remains to be investigated. I think every good study, every good scientific study is a study that opens more questions than it answers.